Once again, silver has broke out and exploded in price overnight. Will silver hit $140 an ounce this year? We're going to talk about that on this morning's gold and silver updates. Let's get started. Hey, good morning, everybody. Massive, exciting news this morning on our precious metals markets, everybody. Things have exploded overnight. Good morning. It's whopping a little after, well, right at 4:30 in the morning, and our metals exploded overnight, everybody. Make sure to watch these videos through. That's what you can do for SSC. But good morning from my living room to yours. Before we get started, guys, we got some exciting news. Everyone, yesterday, we blew right by 6,000 subscribers, on our way to 7,000, and then the big 10,000 subscriber mark will hit soon. The way this channel is growing, it's growing as fast as silver. But happy coffee. Monday morning, got to go to work, and the roads are probably crappy, but we'll just take our time. And for all of you out there in winter wonderland, make sure if you have to go to work today, you take your time also. We want to thank all of you all over the world and our United States of America for watching SSC, watching this channel, and becoming a part of our family. If you've subscribed, if you've commented, if you've just watched our videos, you're part of our family. And that's what this channel is all about, and we appreciate you very much. Let's look at our subscriber count. It's exciting. Guess, we're giving away, when we hit 6,000, we were going to give the rest of the Goldbacks, and let's turn it up, and the Libertad copper bars away, and we've got 3 of them, everybody. So the system will pick three winners. You don't have to sign up or anything. It just picks it just randomly picks you, and usually it picks from people that are commenting and all that stuff. So it doesn't matter if it's a good comment or a bad comment. It picks you. So 6,243 subscribers, everybody. You're the team. I'm just the quarterback. You guys did this. I didn't. But it is absolutely phenomenal. And check this out. Yesterday's Super Copper Sunday video was a huge success, continues to be a huge success, guys. Right now, this video is sitting at 13,540 views. That's big for this channel. It's really good for any channel, and it's still cranking about 220 views an hour. So it could hit 20,000 if it keeps going, but that's not the big news. This is the big news this morning, everybody. This and gold. I should have brought out some gold to show you. We'll see. Okay, well, this gold, not really. But silver, everybody, has exploded. Gold has exploded. Platinum, palladium, they're all exploding. So that is big time. Double green lights, everybody. Your investments are absolutely rocketing out of this world. I can tell you right now, gold is killing it. And let's check it out. Gold is at $5,090 an ounce, guys. It hit $5,000 an ounce yesterday. Central Standard Time, 5 o'clock, the markets open up, and bam, did they open. Crazy. It's up $106.90. It is absolutely phenomenal for your gold, everybody. There's a lot of you out there that have more gold than they do anything else. I particularly love my silver. So I have a lot more silver than gold, and I have more silver than copper. But we won't discuss that. The copper, I love our copper. So silver, guys, this bad boy right now, it's up $6.33 overnight. $6.33 overnight, $109.39. I was shocked when we hit 103 and held it over the weekend, guys. Mondays can always be that day where gold either shoots up or people take a profit margin and drop it big time. And that's going to happen. I promise you, with the prices of silver the way they are, somebody's going to do it. Somebody's going to sell off, and they're going to go take their profits and all that stuff. And it's going to drop down silver just a little bit. But guys, it is so bullish right now. I don't think it's going to get held back. I think, just like some of my friends, just like some of our viewers, I think it could easily do 140 this year. It may go higher. Just put the numbers to it. Look at platinum. Platinum is almost $2,900, everyone. It's on the move, man. I mean, it's getting closer and closer to gold. Matter of fact, remember when gold was $2,800 an ounce? It wasn't too long ago, everybody. It wasn't too long ago. So $28.91, up $115 an ounce. They're all killing it. Palladium, another one, 2103. This is exciting. I'm just about as hyperactive as you can get this morning. And it's the metal prices that do it, not the ADHD. Plus, I slept good, right? And we're waiting to go to work. Well, actually, it's going to take me a while to get to work this morning, right? I can tell you right now, a silver eagle or a maple or Canadian silver maple or a Krugerrand or a kangaroo, guys, at these prices of silver, I bet they're $120 premium. Some of these metal companies are getting more than that for them. Golly, it is crazy. Let's look at the gold and silver ratio, guys. This one is going to shock me, I'm sure. 46-1, everybody. 46.59. You know, I was telling one of our viewers, we call him Ninja Turtle. I think I'm going to start calling him Super Ninja Turtle. I'm about to sneeze. Promise, I won't sneeze in front of you. What a happy, super colossal Monday for metal prices. 46.59, everybody. 46.59. Happy coffee to that one. Sippy cup. Sippy cup throat noise coffee. Here we go. For all you coffee haters and throat noise haters, here's to you. Oh, wow. Just try to be myself on this channel, everybody. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, that little bell button thing, and watch these videos through. We really appreciate you so very much. You're making this channel successful. If you're a new subscriber, once again, welcome to the family. You're the team. I'm just the quarterback. So let's move on to Goldbacks, everybody. Hey, they're the same as they were Saturday when we did our update, $9.96. But these bad boys right here, they're going to be well over $10 exchange rate today. Central Standard Time for me is about 11 o'clock. So Goldback usually updates them right around 10 a.m. their time in Colorado. And that's awesome. They're going to be over $10. Guys, with these metal prices, what are you going to do? Are you going to have to hold back? I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do here in just a minute on silver and gold. So our base metal prices, copper's back on the climb again. It's at 585. Nickel is 840, about the same this morning. $1.44 on aluminum, and zinc at $1.48. Wonder Boy, Bitcoin, it is down to $87,000. Guys, I'm not a Bitcoin guy. We've talked about that many times. We like to hold our metals, and we like to hold this, guys. Now look at this. All right. It wasn't too long ago. These right here, guys, were $90. Okay. $30 an ounce is what I gave through these, I believe, right at $30 an ounce. All right. And now they're well over $300. So went from $90 to well over $300 for 3 ounces of silver. That is out of hand. So what am I going to do? What's SSC going to do? And make sure, guys, to leave your comments. What are you going to do with silver? I do believe if you put the numbers to it, and I did this morning, I was looking at the numbers, and everybody, we could be by maybe if these numbers continue to go on. Let's see where we're at right now. We're at 109.32. If silver continues to do these massive jumps every other day, maybe once a week, but average, 50 to 70 cents every day in the climb mode, we could easily be $129 an ounce by next week, maybe even higher. I mean, that they can hold this silver back by taking profits, but they can't hold it back like they used to. Silver is different than it was back in 1980 and like in 2011 when it skyrocketed everybody. It's just different. The demands for it are different, and that's what's pushing up the market value on this stuff. And excuse me, golly, allergies. And I might be allergic to my dogs. I don't care. I'm keeping my dogs, everybody. So it's just so bullish. Industrial usage on silver is really, really high. A lot of people are turning to silver as a safe haven like they have gold. Gold is cranking. Gold, I think it's going to hit 5,100 easily in the next 2 days, unless something happens and it gets pulled back. I mean, it's still early, everybody. A lot of you are up, but then a lot of people are asleep, and our markets are asleep, and they might sell off, and it might pull this stuff back. Where are we at in Hong Kong? We're at 5,088 on gold and 108.43 on silver. That's crazy. 108.07 in Mumbai and on silver, and 5,069.90 on gold. So they're turning to these metals as safe havens, guys. And a lot of people are having to turn to this. As you can see back here in the background, we still haven't put up our silver. I mean, our copper, the next silver. Oh gosh, SSC, I do it every time. But a lot of people are turning to the beautiful minted bars, everybody. And they're turning to maybe right now, because it's so expensive, diversifying some other metals and take some risks on those. Remember, at one time, silver was, $8, $9 an ounce. This other stuff, it could skyrocket just like silver, but that's something we're going to have to hold long term anyway. Copper is a long term thing, nickel, but a lot of people are diversifying in that. That's why you can't find the copper right now, the good minted copper. I'm sure you can go to the Home Depot and buy you some copper wiring, but but not minted copper, everybody. So a lot of people, because of the prices of these silver, are turning to alternative metals. So what is SSC going to do? What am I going to do? What are you going to do? I can tell you right now, with these prices, I was kind of hoping for a pullback on silver today. I was hoping for it. I was hoping. Not that it was going to happen. I didn't think it was going to happen, but I was hoping, and I'm still kind of hoping, everybody. Happy coffee. I want to buy some more silver. I have some extra windfall money that came in, fiat, and I'm not going to put it in the bank. It's going to go to purchasing, whether it be silver, gold, platinum, Goldbacks, copper, maybe a little bit of all of it. We're going to try to do that. But what I've been really having fun doing is buying, collecting dimes, mercury dimes, and trying to find key dates and get those and do some numismatic stuff. It's been fun right now. One dime at a time, everybody. If that's all you can afford, get you some 90% constitutional stuff, maybe one at a time. You can go on eBay. The mercury dimes are pretty safe. Quarters are pretty safe on eBay, and maybe get one at a time, right? Now, I will say I am going to get some silver. I'm going to get a few ounces, and then I'm going to do some other things. I might get it all in silver. I don't know. But we'll show you those pickups in the next week or two. I'm just waiting for that God-given windfall to come into me. It's not a lot. It's not a lot, but it's a windfall to buy silver. If I put it in fiat money in the bank, I'll spend it. It'll be gone. So that's one good thing about silver, gold, platinum, and all the precious metals, everybody, copper, whatever, is when you buy it, you tend not to spend it. If you have cash in your pocket, a lot of you, it's easy to spend. So let's roll back. Fantastic morning. It's Super Silver Monday. That's what we're going to call it today. Super Silver Monday. Yesterday we had Super Copper Sunday, and it was too. It was. That video will do well over 20,000 views, and we thank you for that. And that just tells me right now that people are really into that market, to the minted copper metals market, everybody. And we proved it to you yesterday, and we thank you for watching that video. So right now, 5,090 on gold, everybody. 109.16 on silver, and we continue to climb. It's just crazy. 29.08 on platinum. Is it going to go $3,000? Is silver going to do 140 this month? Could it do 140 this month, everybody? If it continues, it will do 140 this month. If it makes a $6 jump every day, well, not this month, this January. Let's say February. 140 in February. And it could be, could it be end of this month? I mean, we just got a few days. How many days we got left? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 days left. It could do $130 an ounce. Crazy. Platinum 29.08. It's going to hit 3,000 eventually, maybe sooner than later. Palladium $2,104. Crazy. Our gold to silver ratio 46.61. So new stackers, check it out. The gold to silver ratio, what it is it takes how many ounces of silver to make 1 ounce of gold, right? That's what the gold and silver ratio is. In other words, if I wanted to go trade 46 ounces of silver right now and get 1 ounce of gold, I could do it. But SSC personally is sticking with the silver right now. Silver is the number one player in my book because of the massive percentage increase in value of silver over gold. So that's why I'm sticking with silver. Gold tends to be a slower climber, everybody. It's going to break out once again. So everybody have a fantastic day. Super Silver Monday, SSC, right here, Oklahoma, United States, America. Thank you, Heavenly Father, for everything you've given us, not what we seek. Thank you for my viewers. In your name, Christ, I pray. Everybody have a safe day. I'm out.